travel 1,000,000 times faster than the speed of light, traversing space and time, and pass through wormholes, black holes and white holes. Journey to the future, visit weird planets with multiple suns, galaxies at the edge of the universe, frozen volcanoes. Review your past life in Earth through ultra-high-definition monitors. In Part 1, Trip to Hell and Heaven, Henry and his guides Manny the monkey, Danny the donkey and Johnee the Chinee will ward off the evil werewolf Douglas and his zombie minions. In Part 2, Trip to the Unknown, the Labyrinth of Music, with the help of his new friends, led by Old Man Raju and Rahul the beagle, together with the Ukrainian quintuplets, Henry will try to resist the deadly Greek sirens, the sweet-singing Aphea, and her sister, the dancing seductress Opheme. In Part 3, Trip to the 8 Black Holes, the psychopomps, Henry's daughter Genevieve, aided by Opheme, the former Greek siren who is now a psychopomp, will be facing Octavia, the evil octopus, with soul-sucking tentacles. Coming soon.